Let's see. Welcome back to the Tech Couch series on Strike 10-pin bowling. In this video, I'm going to be showing you online bowling versus play. So this is a version where you get to play the classic bowling game, but against people from around the world. So that's pretty sweet. If you want to see my other videos on 10-pin bowling, check out the links in the description below this video. We show you an overview. I run through all the different mini games in separate videos, show you a little bit of shot mechanics where I can, and yeah, just trying to kind of overview the game that way so you could see whichever video or mini game you want to check out. So let's jump into online. Okay, so jump in, we'll click play. Oh, so you need a player name, so edit. So I'm gonna choose something here. Just typing that in with my Apple TV. With my iPhone. Online play now available. Okay. So let's play. I'm gonna take my same balls before. So connecting to a game, searching for an opponent. So it did take forever to load, but you know, finally I found my my opponent, and I was pretty excited. Was a little bit nervous and kind of just wanted to figure it out. Things felt a little strange. It was a little laggy. Didn't feel so smooth, so I kind of just took my time figuring it out. On that one, tried my spin, but it didn't pick up that quick movement at the end or something. I didn't get transferred with my and there again, like it didn't spin, so it just looks like a dud shot. And now I get to see my opponent for the first time. Okay, that was a pretty good shot by my opponent. Don't know what kind of shot that was, but it was really sweet. And something went weird there, and he got a spare. So I guess the online connection part is a little bit weird. But it is what it is. I'm gonna see if I can, you know, get some spares here and stay in this one. So let's see, we got this guy going again. So he's doing the spin out. Interesting. That was a nice strike. This guy looks good. And it's definitely, you know, a little bit, it's not as, oh God, it's not picking up my spin very well, that's for sure. It's a little laggy. Yeah, like it's not even picking up my spin. That's a problem for me. I need this spin. You know, here we go, got my opponent who's just killing it, obviously, because it's like some sort of professional or something. It's been sitting on here waiting for someone to come for a year. Finally, as the game started. And oh yeah, oh my God, he was like targeting that split so good. Who are you? Maybe I know him. Finally, my curve worked on one. It's not reliable, but I'm gonna keep going for it. Except for these one-off straight shots. That's my bit. Oh my gosh, this guy is unreal. I hope he's watching this video one day. Find out who it is. He seems to take the opposite spin direction to me. But, you know, whatever. We'll see what he can do, huh? And I hope I get to send a message at the end of this, like good job, or like quit your day job and become a bowling guy. So yeah, I feel like I'm playing against a real pro right here. I don't know what happens in terms of game dynamics if like one person just doesn't take their shot ever. Does it just wait forever? That's one of the, you know, poorly designed online games that definitely happens. That's not the case here, but who knows? Okay, so whatever. My first ever game of online, I'm getting torched. It's not the biggest deal. Maybe next time I should be able to get spares all the way through at least, you know. Ah. This guy's like real out of control. You can see that lagginess is definitely, the online is definitely not the same in terms of the smoothness of play and picking up everything on my remote. But yeah, this guy's, he's got it down. He's just got it down to a science. There's another strike. There you go, there's a strike finally. Okay, okay. Finish off strong. Alright, well, finished off pretty strong anyway. Let's see what it's got to finish off. Alright, finished with 214. Let's see, at the end of the game, there's no chances to... Wants a rematch. I'm gonna rematch this guy. Let's do it. I guess that's the easiest way to get a game is a rematch, right? I'd love to beat that would be... Opponent forfeits. I win. So that was my overview of the online version of 10 strike, 10 pin bowling. If you got any other comments, questions, or anything, drop a comment below. I'll try to answer it as soon as I can. And thanks for joining me on the Tech Couch. Take it easy.